What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing a pair of custom Vans for y'all, so stay tuned. First and foremost, I want to shout out my mom for, getting these custom Vans done for me. I told her I wanted it for a birthday gift, and she came through, so shout out to you, Mama E. Okay, so details about the Vans. So the process took about 3.5 weeks. So the price was $80. I got 2 pairs, so it came up to about $170 after taxes. So I think that's a good deal, and it's something that nobody has. So you pretty much bring your own piece of fashion into the real world. So, and if you're not familiar with how the old schools look, here they are. These are pretty much the standard ones that everyone gets, so everyone sees in the stores. But again, you're customizing them to your liking. Okay, so the reason that I got these is because I feel like everything in the store is pretty much whack or played out. So I wanted to do something that was original and authentic to me. So without further ado, here they go. Okay, y'all, so we're about to unbox the first pair. Let's see what they look like. Okay, pretty dope, pretty dope. Nice little bag, look at that. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so it left a little card. This is what the card looks like on the outside. And it says, thank you for supporting our heritage with your Van custom made order. Van Customs have been a tradition since 1966. 50 years later, Vans continues to offer original custom-made product. Welcome to the family. Thanks. Cool. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Okay, y'all, so this is the pair that I got made. Isn't that dope? Check that out. So I wanted them to be hunter green and black with the checkerboard on the front. And I wanted to add the lightning bolt to give it a little more character. Definitely more me. I think these shits are sick as fuck. Don't nobody bite my idea. I actually bought it for this hoodie, so I'm gonna put them on right after this. I wanted to do a pair of green because I don't have anything in my closet that is green, so this will force me to buy some green clothes. Plus, it represents money, and that's what I want to manifest in my life, so I call these motherfuckers manifesto. Okay, so I'm about to unbox the second pair. Let's see what they look like. Same card. Okay, y'all, so these are the second pair that I ordered. These motherfuckers, shit sick. Let me lace them up, be right back. Okay, y'all, so they're all laced up, and this is how they look. What y'all think? Okay, so if anybody wanted to order any custom shoes off the Vans website, literally just go on the website and go to the custom side and then just do whatever you want to do to it. They have many different options, many different colors, many different patterns, prints, whatever you want. And you can create your own masterpiece like I just did. But stay tuned for the next unboxing because I'm gonna make some more. So these are the pants that I bought to go with these Vans. I think they go perfectly. These are the shoes. These are the pants with the contrast, purple and red. I think it's gonna be pretty dope. I can't wait to rock that fit. It's gonna be dope. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good one. I'm out.